Hello everyone, welcome back to our Flexa Systems channel. Today we got in the analog output module from Allen Bradley. The exact model is gonna be in here for repair. We did repair it at the component level and now we're gonna test it. We have a process calibrator, we have the software. We set every channel, every output channel to 20 milliamps. Actually we are doing like setting to 4, 10 and 20 milliamps. Output and measure the current with a specific tool. It's a calibrated tool, so we know for sure if the analog output model works on 3 points, means it's linear, and we check that with that system. So here is how we test it. Now it's only 20 milliamps and you can see it's over there. So every channel has 20 milliamps. So we can tell you that the model is ready to go and it's fully functional. All 8 channels are functional. So thank you for watching, and if you will ever be in need of repair any of this analog output module or PLC itself or any other module from this series of Allen Bradley, we will be more than happy to assist with the repair it at the component level. Please contact us on the email in here, phone number in here. Thank you.